Hello beautiful people. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Carol. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing fine as well. In case you're new here, karibu sana, and kindly consider subscribing for more exciting and amazing videos. So guys, let's go along the Eastern Bypass, to be precise, in Kamakis. I'm in a certain studio, guys. This is a masterpiece. From here, it's about, I think, 15 minutes drive to JKIA. I'll take you through this particular studio, and then you can let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. It's going for 2,500 Kenya shillings per night. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So guys, that's the entrance door of the apartment. That's how it look like. And then from there we have a doormat over here. That's how it look like. Let me know what you think about the tiles. And then from there, guys, we have a cooker. That's our cooker. And then from there we have the kitchen cabinets. In case you want to cook anything, we've got you covered. That's how it look like. We have the dish rack, the utensils holder, the sink. That's how it look like. And then down here we have more cabinets. That's basically how it look like. From there we have the fridge, of course, and the microwave. Fine, you can see the dispenser over there and the dustbin. And then guys, we have this portrait over here. That's how it look like. So guys, I just give you the view of the whole kitchen area. That's how it look like. That's the whole view of the kitchen. So let's head to the living area. So guys, we have this artificial flower over here and some decor piece over there, the tissue holder. We have some decor book over there and the flower, the white cabinet. Wow, let me know what you think about it. And then of course the sound bus to enjoy the music. From there we have the screen. That's how it look like. That's how it look like. And then we have this portrait over here. That's the portrait. From there we have this coffee table over here. Guys, in terms of breakfast, we got you covered. That's how it look like. And then we have this couch. It's a two-seater couch with some throwaway pillows just to decorate. And then we have the sink, of course, at the far end. So guys, I just give you the view, the whole view, how it look like. From there, this is the door that is heading to the washroom. And then of course the sandals over there. From there we have the bed. That's our bed. The white sheets. I love the fact that I love the white sheets in the apartment. I mean, I don't know about you. What do you prefer? Is it colored or white sheets? Let me know in the comment section. And then from there, guys, let me show you the lightings. That's how it look like. That's the lighting. Really modern. And then from there, We have our console table over here. I mean, guys, that's our console table. Hi. And then from there we have the closet. That's how it look like. Oh, white in color. I love the color. And then of course, let me know what you think about this. The curtain, the shears, the color in the comment section. That's the door that is heading to the balcony. Of course, I'm going to give you the view from the balcony. And then we have the mirror. That's how it look like. Hello. So guys, that's the whole view of the apartment. That's how it look like. So let's head to the balcony. So guys, this is the balcony. That's how it look like. And then we have the view. That's the view you get from the balcony. I don't want to go out because of the light and the noise. That's the view you get. From here, it's about approximately 20 minutes drive to the JKIA. So that's basically how it look like. So yeah, let's head to the washroom now. So guys, this is the washroom area. That's how it look like. It's clean and spacious. That's basically how it look like. So guys, that's the end of our video today. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in the next one.